Hi guys, today's Leetcode daily is minimum operations to make binary array elements equal to 1. So in this we are given a binary array. Binary array means all its elements are either 0 or 1. Now our aim is to convert all the elements equal to 1. So how we can do that? So we are allowed to do one operation on the array any number of times we want. So what we do in that? We'll take any three consecutive elements from the array and flip all of them. Flip means if any element is 0, then we can change it to 1. If any element is 1, then we'll change it to 0. So if it is possible to convert nums array into all elements equal to 1 by performing any number of operations, then we have to return the count of that operations. But if it is impossible to convert, then we have to return -1. Now we'll see example for better understanding of this question. So this is nums array, and now we found this 0, so we converted three elements starting from this, means we flipped three elements, so we got this array. Now this 0, we went to this 0 and again we flipped three elements, then we got this array. Now we went to this 0 and again flipped three elements, then we got this array. So we are able to convert an array into all its element equal to 1. So we have to return count, and count of operations performed, so we need three operations, so we return 3 as output. Now we'll see approach how we can do that. Since we have to convert all the elements to 1, so our aim is to convert all 0 to 1. So we'll start traversing from the left of the array, and if we get any 0, then we'll convert it to 1. Also, according to question, we have to flip 3 digits. So we'll also flip next two elements. Now we'll also maintain count of operations performed. At last, if we are able to convert all elements to 1, then we'll return count. Otherwise, if it is impossible to convert all elements to 1, then we'll return -1. Now we'll see code for better understanding of the implementation part. So here we initialize n with nums.size, and in this count we'll store number of operations needed. So initially we initialized it with 0. Now we started traversing in nums array from left side. If we are seeing any 0, so we need to convert it into 1. So we need one operation to be performed. That's why we are doing count plus plus. Also, as per question, we have to flip next to dates also, because three elements we have to flip minimum. So we'll flip nums I plus 1th element and I plus 2th elements also. Now in this loop we are traversing till n minus 3th index only. It is because since we can also perform flip operation on n I plus n minus 2th and n minus 1th index. That's why we are going till n minus 3 only. After this loop is completed, after all the iterations are completed, we are sure that till n minus 3 index, all the zeros have been converted into 1. So we'll see if at n minus 2 index and n minus 1 index, both index are having 1 or not. If both are having 1, then it is possible to convert all the elements into 1. So we'll return the count. Otherwise it is impossible. So we'll return -1. Now if we talk about time complexity, then there is only one loop that's going from 0 to n minus 2. So it is, we go of n time complexity, and we are not using any extra space. So space complexity is constant. We go of 1. If you have understood this question, then please like, share and comment on this video, and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.